Dear friends, today I am going to explain you the simplest multiplication trick called as lattice multiplication method or grid multiplication method. Trust me, after watching this video, performing any complex multiplication will be like eating a piece of cake for you. Friends, we welcome you to Zero Math. Let's begin with this amazing multiplication trick. Let's multiply 123 into 456 using the lattice multiplication method. So in this method, we will first draw rectangle like this. Since we are multiplying 3-digit number by 3-digit number, let's divide this rectangle into 3 vertical parts and 3 horizontal part like this. Write down the numbers horizontally and vertically now. So I'll write down 1, 2, 3 horizontally and 4, 5, 6 vertically. Now draw the diagonal lines like this. Okay, so this diagonal line basically divide each square into 2 parts. Now you can see this structure look like a grid structure or lattice structure. That's why it is called as lattice multiplication method. Now let's multiply this number 3 into 4 and write down the result here. So basically where this 3 and 4 intersect, if you draw imaginary line, there you are going to draw a result. And in the lower part you will write the unit digit, and in the upper part you will write the tens place digit. That's how we should write it. So let's multiply 2 into 4, it's 0, 8. 1 into 4 is 0, 4. 3 into 5 is 15. I'll write the result over here. 2 into 5 is 10. 1 into 5 is 0, 5. 3 into 6 is 18. 2 into 6 is 12. And 1 into 6 is 6. So write it as 0, 6. Now we are going to divide this structure into parts like this. So basically we will divide it into part based on this diagonal line. So this is my part 1, this is my part 2, this is my part 3, this is my part 4, this is my part 5, and this is my part 6. Now we will take addition of each part. So in the first part we are having only one digit, that is 8. So I'll write 8 over here. Into second part I'm having 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 plus 2, 8. So I will add all these numbers. So I'll write down the result over here. In the next part I'm having 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, plus 2, 10. So I'll write 0 over here and 1 carry, which I'll write over here. So let's add the number into the next part. So 1 plus 5, 6, plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8, and 8, 16. So I'll write 6 over here. Again, there will be 1 carry. So 4 plus 1, 5. Let's add the digits into the next part. I'll write down the result over here. In the next part, I'm having 0, which doesn't carry any significance. So if I write down this number 0, 5, 6, 0, 8, 8 is our answer. So this 0 doesn't carry any significance. So 5, 6, 0, 8, 8 is basically multiplication of 123 into 456. So you can see how easy this method is. You can multiply any big numbers using this method in an easy way, and this is really good method at the school level math. Let's multiply 4-digit number into 3-digit number. You can see I have divided my rectangle into 4 vertical parts and 3 horizontal parts. Split the 4-digit number into 4 vertical parts and 3-digit number into 3 horizontal parts. So 4, 5, 6, 7 into 234. Let's write it down. We are good to start now. Let's multiply 7 into 2 and write down the result into the first box. 6 into 2, 12, 5 into 2, 10, 4 into 2, 0, it's 7 into 3 is 21, 6 into 3 is 18, 5 into 3 is 15, and 4 into 3 is 12. So 7 into 4, 28, 6 into 4 is 24, 5 into 4 is 20, and 4 into 4 is 16. Now, you know, like we are going to divide this into group based on this diagonal. So let's take some of the first group. that is this. So sum of first group is 8. Sum of the second group is 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. Let's take sum of the third group. So 8 to 10 to 12 plus 4 16. So I'll write 6 over here and there will be a carry of 1. So let's take sum of the next group. 6 plus 1 7 plus 2 9 plus 5 14 1 15 16 17 and 1 18, carry 1. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 and 1 5 and 1 6. Let's take sum of the next group. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. There will be carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So we can write down our result. So 1 0 6 8 6 7 8 is the multiplication of 4 5 6 7 into 234. I hope friends you are enjoying this video. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel if you are really enjoying it. We can leverage this method to find out square of any number as well. So let's figure out square of 888. So 888 square is 888 into 888. Since it's a 3-digit number, let's divide this rectangle into 3 vertical parts and 3 horizontal parts, and let's place the number vertically and horizontally. Now let's start multiplying the number and filling the grid. So 8 into 8 is 64. Since everything is going to be 64, I'll quickly fill this grid. Now let's start adding this part. So my part 1 is going to be 4. My part 2 will be, let's add this part 2, 6 4 10 and 4 14, carry 1. So let's add next part. 4 plus 1 5. Okay, 6 plus 4 10, 6 plus 4 10, so it will be 20 plus 4 24 and 1 25, carry will be 2. Let's add the next part. So again 6 plus 4 10, 6 plus 4 10 20, 6 26 and this 2 is 28, carry 2. So let's add the next part. 6 plus 4 10, 6 16 and 2 18, carry 1. 6 plus 1 7 is the sum of next part. So let's write down this digits. 7 8 8 5 4 4 is the square of 888. So you can see how easily when we can find square using this. Friends, I hope you liked our work. If you liked our work, please do not forget to subscribe our channel and be in touch with us for more videos like this. Thank you.